Hey, how you doing? I'm over here. Welcome to Blue Bite Noise Channel. We go for an overnight adventure. Run an intro. Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Blue Bite Noise Channel with a cold, brisk morning. It says it's 36.5 degrees at 10 o'clock. 10:07 to be exact. So, like I said, we're going on a little overnight adventure. You know, that's how we roll. She was off this weekend, and we don't know till the first of the month what weekend she's gonna be off because it changes and flips and flops and all like that. So 75 miles, 73 to get down to the Nutwood. I seen this last week and I started laughing. The Nutwood Winery. I know I'm childish, but anyway, it's down in LaGrange. I don't think I'm like 90% sure that they not on the Georgia Wine Highway Trail. So if they are, we'll see. If not, we're still going to see, because the winery was going to originally today, leave earlier today, and go down to Mauk, Georgia. Mauk, M-A-U-K, Mauk, Georgia. The lady at Warm Springs at the B&B we staying at, she said, I never heard of that. It's like 30 minutes from her. I ain't got much to say. We'll see our adventure. We're staying at the Hotel Warm Springs. It's a B&B. We got the honeymoon suite. we might get a little frisky. I doubt it. We owed. Oh, me. Like I said, Warm Springs has got a lot of history in Georgia. You might go watch some other of my videos. That's FDR, Franklin Delaware Roosevelt, the day that lived in infantry, you know, World War II deal. Also the one that started every chicken in the pot, socialism, kind of. Take from the rich and give to the poor. But he's got he called it a little White House. He, you know, he had polio, so the Warm Springs of Georgia was a national Warm Springs, and he also developed the polio research center. He thought the warm water helped him, the minerals and all in it helped him with his polio. So you got that museum to go through where the Warm Springs is, that they don't open no more except for once a year. But we should have brought our swimsuits. Dang it! We might have to stop by Walmart. But anyway, my mind, you know, my ADHD squirrel, where? The research center is the same water they used to put in the pools down there, the open air pool. This is the indoor pool at the research center. You can swim there, or probably before Biden got in the office, it was $10, probably $20 now with inflation. But you gotta have two people and to swim there, because there's no lifeguard. So you can't go by yourself. You gotta bring a buddy. You gotta swim a swim buddy. Yeah, in case you drown, then he drowns trying to rescue you. But it's the same water, same heated pool water. Like I said, we might have to stop by Walmart, get your swimming trunks. It'd be hard for her to get us swimming. Yeah. But anyway, that's the house he passed in, and it's a little house, little white house. It's not white, I don't think. I think it's yellow. Maybe that's just from the pollen. But anyway, pollen jokes. But anyway, that's where he passed in his bed, and you can take the tour, and it's got a museum part that's out front, and all his compliments But one thing is not in there. One thing. Do you know what? Oh, do you know what's not in there? The internment camps. He rounded up Japanese American citizens and put them in cages. He's a Democrat, but you don't hear nothing about that. But he did it. He rounded them up and locked away American citizens just because they were Japanese. You couldn't, yeah, not just shut up about that. So we'll see you when we get closer to the winery. It's 70 miles from here. So later. Alright, well, let's hope the address is right. I don't forget. No, Nutwood. Nutwood. I'm childish, I know. It's Nutwood. Wood. Nut. Nutwood. Oh, me. 700 yards, excuse me. We're gonna eat down here too. We're gonna eat fancy like Nutwood. They got a tenderloin slider that sounds pretty good. I think I'm gonna try it. Sip me a glass of wine as I do it. No, I can't drink that wine and eat. Alright, it's supposed to be right in here. I'm assuming that's it way over there. Assuming this is it. Yep, it says established, and it says winery on that one. Pretty driveway, reminds me of Forrest Gump. Run, boys! Pretty plantation homes for sale. Nutwood, it's not for sale. Winery's down this way. Maybe that's a B&B. I love these dirt roads. Dirt driveway. Very, very biker friendly. Where I want to park. Oh, we gotta go back out this way. I don't park under that tree. Why not? I don't see where it says you can't spin around and park right there. I don't see no handicap. No, I do right there. It says up there for handicap. So this is not handicap. We're gonna spin around and park right here. Looks good to me. We just brought the value of this place down by about 90%. Oh, me. There you have it. Love Shack. Nutwood. They got archery or something next door, maybe, I don't know. So 24 miles down there to Warm Springs. It's warmed up some, but it kind of looks like it's clouding up. It ain't supposed to, but you know how the weatherman is. 52.7 degrees. So yeah. So yeah. I ain't got nothing else to say about it. It was $90 with tax, tips, and all. She's got a small thing of whiskey and moonshine infused wine in a little bitty bottle like we got from. Oh, they got an old buggy there. It's a nice place. It's on the Ritz. We put on the Ritz. It's fancier than Applebee's, I tell you that much. So, yeah, the bottle thing she got, I don't know how much, it was $34. My meal with 2 little sliders and a nice cup of bowl of fruit, apples, watermelon, honeydew, and cantaloupe, grape, 4 grapes, a strawberry, and 3 little slices of apples, thin slices of apples. The sliders was delicious though, and a glass of sweet tea. And then we did, and good point about it to point out, service was great. Food came out, and she's got I think her wrap was, it was that big old wrap, about that long, about that big around. She got a salad wrap, a wrap that's a salad, chicken salad wrapped up, and then she got another salad on top of that as a side. Oh, me. And then what else? Oh, what was I gonna say? Service was good. Yep. That wine didn't really impress me that much. Oh, concert hall. What was I gonna say? I hate when I do that. They was just a month winery on the wine trail, and since this is just about 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out from March, he went ahead and gave us a $20 free tasting. That's how much they charge for tasting 5 wines, and it's almost 2 ounce pour. They give you a good bit to sip on, so that's not too bad. So I give a thumbs up for that. So let's get on down to Warm Springs, and we'll see what's going on the rest of the day. Probably none. It's probably the chill day. Yep, I think that's what we'll do. Alright, here we are in Warm Springs, Georgia. Yeah, buddy. So this is the second floor of the Hotel of Warm Springs, bread and breakfast. Losing my voice. Here's a little parlor. The parlor. You can play chess and game room. Check the sink out. And that, TV was a lot shorter back then. Probably a bunch of media people that would come and stay with, with FDR. The train station was next door. I guess this is the living room, dining room. We'll go upstairs, check the steps out. These short steps. This is where breakfast will be served at in the morning. Don't go down the hallway, that's her apartments. And these are all different rooms. There's out the window of the extreme motorcycle places over there. On Little Sturgis Street, the Bulloch House. That's what like I said, everything revolves around FDR. do with pineapples. Like I said, these steps are half steps. Here's where you check in at.
Projector style headlights, new seats. I'm gonna start on the front end.
So yeah, the honeymoon suite. So go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. Give me a thumbs up.